Hi everyone! Welcome back to this channel, guys. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you 6 sunscreen products na lightweight, hindi po malagkit, no white cast, tapos ang finish, semi-to-matte talaga na okay to those sa may mga oily and acne-prone skin. And itong mga products na i-share ko po sa inyo, you can easily find this sa Watsons, department stores sa mga mall, and online platforms like Lazada, TikTok, and Shopee. So if this video, guys, interests you, please keep on watching. So this is the first sunscreen, guys, that I'd like to recommend. This is from the brand You. Ito yung kanilang Triple UV Acne Care Sunscreen na merong SPF 50+, PA+++++. John Angelo made me buy this sunscreen kasi meron siyang isang TikTok video. He rave about this. Ang sabi niya na if you have oily, pawisin skin, or if you are acne prone, and you're looking for an ultra lightweight na sunscreen, matte ang finish, walang ang white cast, hindi malagkit, this sunscreen is for you. And true enough, nung tinry ko po ito, nung around March, guys, actually paubos na nga itong mga kapatid, as you can see. As in legit talaga, this is also fast absorbing and can be used under makeup. This is a chemical type na sunscreen and it's also broad spectrum, meaning you are protected against from UVA and UVB. And to be exact, meron po itong 3 strong, modern, and photostable na sunscreen filters. Ilalagay ko po dito sa screen for your reference. Aside sa napaka-reliable na mga sunscreen filters na nilagay po nila sa product na to, ang isa sa mga nagustuhan ko na quality din about this sunscreen is napaka-friendly niya sa merong mga acne-prone skin. Kasi this contains zinc PCA for oil control. Meron din po itong salicylic acid that help unclog pores. Centella asiatica for soothing ang arte. For soothing. And based on my research, guys, this also contains Ocimene 5-ol, an antimicrobial ingredient. So as you can see, guys, yung formulation po ng product na to, as in pinag-isipan talaga, hindi siya putyo-putyo, mga kapatids. This is dermatologically tested, zero alcohol, no parabens, no mineral oil. This is not fragrance-free, but the scent is very mild, not disturbing at all. This can be used by both adults and teenagers. And ang retail price nito ay nasa mga around 265 pesos for 30 grams. And I want you to know na this is made in China. So overall, itong sunscreen na to, this is best to those talaga na merong oily, acne-prone, and pawisin na skin. Another oldie but goodie na sunscreen na I think sulit pa rin bilhin ngayon is the Derm Action Plus by Watsons. Ito yung Advanced Sun Water Drop Cream Gel na variant. If you're into sunscreens for a while na, most likely nakita mo na itong product na to kasi nirelease to I think mga 1 or 2 years ago. And I can't forget this product kasi ito yung isa sa mga sunscreen na kapag nag-announce na mag-release sila ng stock, nag-aabang talaga ako sa mga online platforms. Hindi na ako nag-aabang sa physical store kasi wala talagang display na umaabot dito sa Davao, guys. So always ako nag-aabang sa online platforms para maka-check out lang kasi ang daming may gusto nito dahil nga maganda ang formula at the same time mura. So ang texture po ng product na to ay cream gel pero when you blend it sa face, para siyang nagiging water droplets, guys. It's very easy to blend, it's super lightweight, fast absorbing, hindi malagkit, tapos wala siyang white cast. Ang finish niya ay semi-matte. This can be used under makeup and pwede po itong gamitin ng both adults and teenagers. This is a hybrid type na klase na sunscreen, meaning meron po itong both chemical and mineral na sunscreen filters. And yes, broad spectrum po ito na klase. And for your reference, guys, ilalagay ko po dito sa screen ang 4 sunscreen filters na ginamit po nila sa sunscreen na to. And based on my research, guys, itong sunscreen filters na to ay magaganda, strong, and very advanced. In addition, guys, itong product na to, this is dermatologically tested, fragrance-free. Price is around 399 pesos for 40 ml. This is made in Thailand, guys. And I can highly recommend this to those na merong oily skin. So this third product naman, guys, that I'd like to recommend, this is a Korean sunscreen but made for Philippine weather. So this is the Blox Cool Down Hydrolyte Sunscreen with SPF 50+, PA++++. Ito yung orange na variant na binebenta nila, mga kapatids. And yes, this is another John Angelo made me buy this kasi after watching his TikTok video and of course, doing some research, guys, I learned na this uses the most advanced, stable, and strong na sunscreen filters compared sa mga typical na sunscreen na binebenta sa drugstore market, mga kapatid. So, hindi ko na napigilan na i-check out itong product na to. So, this is a chemical type na sunscreen but of course, still broad spectrum, mga kapatids. To be exact, guys, this contains 5 sunscreen filters. Ilalagay ko po dito sa screen For your reference, ayan. Ang itsura naman po ng product na to ay para siyang lotion, pero when you blend it, it's very fast absorbing, it's very lightweight, wala po siyang white cast, tapos ang finish niya ay semi-matte, so it's very nice for those na merong oily skin. This can be used under makeup, guys, and pwedeng gamitin ng both adults and teenagers. This is not fragrance-free, but the scent is very mild, hindi disturbing at all. This is non-comedogenic, dermatologically tested. This is reef safe, so kung beach po kayo, pwede nyo pong dalhin po itong sunscreen na to. This is priced for around 379 pesos, if I'm not mistaken, for 30 ml, pero meron din silang 50 ml na variant ito. Pero for me, guys, kahit ang 30 ml nito ay nasa around 379, sulit na siya for the performance you are getting. So overall, guys, I can highly recommend this sunscreen to those na merong oily, pawisin, or if you have upcoming na outdoor activities. Kasi nabasa ko na itong sunscreen na to, this is clinically tested talaga that helps soothe and cool down heated skin. So napaka-perfect sa mainit na panahon. So if you have upcoming na pickleball or swimming activities, ganyan, try to consider, guys, na gamitin itong sunscreen na to. Now, kung ikaw naman yung tipo na nag-oil up na tapos nagbe-breakout pa, this sunscreen is for you. So this is the Derm Action by Watsons. Ito yung kanilang acne prone gel sunscreen with zinc na merong SPF 50+, PA+++++. So this sunscreen stands out, guys, because first, this contains reliable, premium, and strong mga sunscreen filters and also skincare benefits to those na merong acne-prone skin. So meron pa itong salicylic acid to help unclog pores and zinc PCA for oil control. So this is a hybrid type na klase na sunscreen, still broad spectrum, and for your reference, ilalagay ko po dito sa screen ang exact sunscreen filters na ginamit po nila sa product na to. And as you can see, all strong, stable, and meron po silang ginamit dito na very premium na sunscreen filter. So this is a gel type na klase na sunscreen. It's very lightweight, it's fast absorbing. Ang finish po nito ay semi-matte, tapos wala po itong white cast, so it's very easy to wear on a daily basis. This is fragrance-free, dermatologically tested. This is made in Thailand. Price is around 399 pesos for 40 ml. This can be used, guys, under makeup, and pwede po itong gamitin ng both adults and teenagers. And yeah, overall, guys, I can highly recommend this sunscreen, and this is best to those na merong oily and acne-prone skin. So this fifth sunscreen reco ko sa inyo, guys, as in, pinuntahan ko talaga ito sa mall kasi nung pag-check ko sa mga online platforms, as in, nagkaubusan talaga mga kapatids. And kung natatandaan nyo, tinry ko po yung Bright and Hydrate nila na variant, and super nagustuhan ko po yung Hydrate. So, I'm curious kung maganda ba itong matte version, okay? So, if you have oily and you want a matte finish na sunscreen, you can try this one, guys. So, this is the Pond's UV Miracle Matte Sunscreen with SPF 50+, PA+++++. This is a chemical type na klase na sunscreen, still broad spectrum, guys, and based on my research, itong product na to, use 5 classic na sunscreen filters. Ilalagay ko po dito sa screen for your reference. Ang itsura naman po ng mismong product ay para po siyang lotion. Actually, kapag pinagtabi mo yung Bright, Hydrate, and itong matte, kung titingnan mo lang siya, alam mo yung pag-dispense mismo sa component, guys, parang same na same lang talaga mga kapatids. Pero, madidetermine mo yung pinagkaiba nila kapag in-apply mo na talaga sa skin. So, itong matte, guys, it's fast absorbing, lightweight. Of course, matte ang kanyang finish. So, legit po yung claim. So, bagay na bagay to those na merong oily skin. Wala po itong white cast. So, napaka-perfect for daily use. This is not fragrance-free, pero ang scent po ng sunscreen na to ay hindi naman po disturbing. This is dermatologically tested. This is made in Indonesia. And this is priced for 500 pesos for 50 grams. So, clearly, itong sunscreen na to is best to those na merong oily and acne-friendly din pala ito mga kapatids kasi based on my research, this contains salicylic acid that helps unclog pores and niacinamide that help reduce redness and control oil. So, yeah, overall, guys, I can highly recommend this to those na merong oily and acne-prone skin. So, itong pang last ko na sunscreen reco, gamit na gamit po ito for reapplication. Kasi what if you need to reapply sunscreen pero you are already wearing makeup? So, masisira ang makeup mo, or you want to reapply pero ayaw mo ng messy or hands-on reapplication. So, dito po papasok itong product na to. So, this is the Lux Organics na Invisible UV Mist na merong SPF 150+, PA+++ na for face and body. As you can see guys, based sa kanyang format, itong sunscreen mist na to ay ginawa talaga for easy application anytime and anywhere, okay? And actually, super duper natuwa ako sa Lux Organics na brand kasi finally gumawa sila ng variant 2. Tawagin natin yung variant 2 kasi meron itong variant 1, yung naka-tube mga kapatids. Wala naman po akong problema sa product na yon. I think na-review ko nga yung product na yun mga kapatid sa channel na to. Wala akong problema sa SPF rating, pero medyo may kabigatan kapag i-apply sa face, okay? Sa body, walang problema, pero sa face, meron. So, natuwa ako na naglabas sila ng same SPF rating, pero naka-mist type na, okay? So, Lux Organics, ibalik nyo na po ako sa inyong PR list, charing. Sa mukha, oy. So, yeah, and when it comes to sunscreen filters, guys, itong product na to, based on my research, uses strong, modern, and high performance talaga na mga sunscreen filters. Ipa-flash ko po dito sa screen for your reference. This is a chemical type na klase na sunscreen. Still broad spectrum, so this can protect you against from UVA and UVB mga kapatids. Ang retail price naman po nito ay 479 pesos for 90 ml. This is made in Thailand. It's ultra lightweight. It's non-sticky when you spray it sa face mo and sa body mo. It's water resistant up to 80 minutes, guys. This is free from mineral oil, silicones, and parabens. This is not fragrance-free, pero for me, guys, preference ko lang naman to, hindi po disturbing ang kanyang scent. So overall, I can highly recommend this sunscreen mist to all skin types, and this can also be used, guys, by both adults and teenagers. For me, this is a really a game changer na product kasi it makes the reapplication so much easier. Tapos plus points din po sa akin na ni-retain nila ang mataas na SPF rating. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope na I was able to provide you with some options to choose from para kung sakali na bibili kayo next week or next day ng sunscreen and then you have oily and acne-prone skin, meron po kayong pagpipilian sa mga nirecommend ko. And sa mga gustong i-try po yung 6 products na nirecommend ko po earlier, before using it fully, please mag-patch test muna. Kasi kahit nag-work yun sa akin, always remember na we have different skin types and skin conditions. So, kailangan mag-patch test before todo pag-apply. Okay? Para safe ang ating skin. So, if you find this video helpful and informative, guys, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, share this video sa inyong mga family and friends, and kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please consider. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!